Inks, we make commercial printing ink. If you go to the grocery store, anything you see with color on it, we make ink for that.
Our core mission is to provide innovative, safe, and sustainable solutions to our customer base.
Some of the challenges, we need to be more efficient in order to compete in a worldwide, global market. We need a full digitization of manufacturing in general. There's so many segments of manufacturing that are still completely manual.
About 3.5 years ago, it was tough to view any data. We have an MES system that allows us to see current run rates, but not a lot of historical data.
The data that we had was unreliable. A lot of it is based on tribal knowledge.
We're always looking for continuous improvement. And so with continuous improvement, you need to know how you're operating and how the machines are running.
The first thing that needs to happen is the dashboards and the visibility of it from an operator standpoint needs to be very user-friendly, very easy to read.
Oden Technologies is a data and AI company focused on helping manufacturers make things as efficiently as possible.
Oden was in that process innovation mindset where we started to think about Industry 4.0 and starting to use data along with our machinery to improve our productivity and throughput.
Within 90 days, we were up and running.
Things went very quickly and very well. They had real data, active information.
They knew that they would have to implement some change management. They clearly had a vision and an understanding of how Oden could be successful at Charlotte, and we just needed to come in and execute.
Oden Technologies has opened our eyes to what our process is actually telling us.
Within 6 months of implementing Oden, we were able to get enough of an improvement on our uptime reporting to go to a 24/5 schedule, which was huge for the plant.
We saw a 71% reduction in changeovers after we got the operators engaged on our utilization workflow.
We can actually go in deeper. We can look at machine settings and different information so we can see where those opportunities are to make some adjustments.
We really believe that the AI benefits that Oden brings to us will help not only retain the employees, but bring them up to speed much quicker.
Process AI is our product to help new operators perform like seasoned veterans very, very quickly.
Instead of taking 6 months to a year to be able to produce, they should be able to produce in weeks and months.
Using the Oden platform has really empowered them to take away that risk of not performing at the level of their peers.
Once we put Oden in and the operators start to understand what it is, and they start to see beside their machine how they're operating, and once we brought in Process AI, the operators can see what changes it's recommending that they make.
The product that ran previous to Process AI and previous to the Oden integration would run anywhere from 450 to 480 pounds per hour. We used that as the beta test to set up Process AI. The results has led to 608 to 618 pounds per hour.
That's a performance gain of 24%, which is utterly amazing.
I can see the culture on the floor has changed to the point that instead of operators constantly running back and forth to where the supervisors are, they're at their machines, they're doing their job, and they're happier about it.
If you can predict the quality in real time so that the operator knows that what they're doing is good, you've changed their feedback loop and you've decreased the risk for them in making adjustments. They still know that they're making a good product and they won't mess up.
You get up-to-date, minute-by-minute updates on rates, how the machine is running. It's user-friendly, color-coded system, so the operator, when he looks at the screen, he knows if it's red, I got a problem. If it's green, I'm good. If it's blue, I'm doing really good.
The operators are buying into it, the supervisors are buying into it. We have friendly competition between shifts based on production throughput.
So one of our first targets that we set was to benchmark OEE, or overall equipment efficiency, in the plant. We set a target to improve by 10% within 6 months. And they hit the target in about 4 months. And they've been able to maintain that target now for over a year.
We really like the relationship we've had with Oden. We're getting very strong results quickly. The implementation was done effectively. The employees have bought in, they see the value of it.
Our vision at INX is to continue to move forward into Industry 4.0, digitalization of all of our equipment. We have seen the results of that utilizing Oden. We are currently implementing at all major sites in North America and in the very near future to South America.
I'm extremely excited about the future of manufacturing. I think we're still just scratching the surface of what we can do to really help the front line, making things as efficiently as possible. Data and AI is absolutely crucial in helping us solve some of the labor challenges that we have in manufacturing today.